Hi, so if you're looking to convert PDF bank statements, credit card statements into CSV, Excel, QuickBooks Desktop, Quicken interchange format or JSON, and you want to do it fast, this is the tool for you. It will allow you to combine them chronologically as well. So basically, if you have like months worth of separate statements, you can just combine them in one go. Let me show you how it works. So I'm just gonna pull out a few statements from here. Start the conversion now. It's going on in the background. I'm gonna show you the statements actually. So this is not a real bank. These are example statements. I don't want to get any copyright claims on the video, so that's why we are using these example statements. And basically you have your things here. You have the credits, debits, description, the date. Everything should be pretty familiar to you. The balance goes on for like 5 pages with some fees in the end. And yeah, that's the first one. Then we have the February statement. That's a continuation from the last one. Starts off with the balance from the previous one. And the same thing here. It's about 5 pages, just showing what's in here. And then we have the March. And yeah, same thing continues from the last one. Total amounts, yeah, nothing special. 5 pages of transactions. Your basic bank statement format. Then we have the credit card statements. These follow a slightly different logic when put into accounting software with the post dates, the transaction dates. But basically it has the purchases and other debits in like one section with the dates. And then we have like balance transfers, cash advances, interest charged, a date for that. And yeah, this, many of the credit card statements do look pretty much like this with the separate sections. And alright, there's the statements. The conversion has been done in the background. And let's take a look. Let's take a look at the credit card statement first. So basically, by the way, if you want, you can include the opening line by the opening balance. If you do a check mark, I think some accounting software does prefer a separate opening balance line. Anyway, these are the extracted transaction rows together with the descriptions. And yeah, it checks out. We have the ending balance 7,963. Let's see here. It matches. And yeah, let's take a look at like Path at Bodyworks on the 5th. Path at Bodyworks. Let me just. Oh, there it is. Right, 4250. 4250. I actually want to show you like this does like flag point out to you if you know there's some mistakes. So now like there's a mistake here. So you can see it like right away, you know, because the balances and credits don't match. So you can like tell right away if there's some issues. All right, let's take a look at the bank statements. This from the 24th January starting. No, everything looks good. Same thing here. This is the March statement, and then we have the February statement. Okay, so now I want to show you the combine, because this is like a really good way to get, like, if you have some client or somebody who is you know, dumped you with a bunch of PDF files and told to, you know, start making the accounting ready, and you need to reconcile like months of data or even a year worth of data. You can just like combine it. It tells you if there are gaps in between, so you can check like, okay, so there's like a couple of days here, am I missing like some statement? You can double check at this point. So let's see, it ends on January 31st. So we had like the balance is at 4,710. You know, basically you can just press combine here, see what it looks like. You know, because you can review and validate this, and this would flag also if the balances don't match. So now I have from 3 separate statements, I have everything right here. This video has taken like a few minutes at this point, and you can just export it now. You can take CSV, Excel, like let's take a look at QuickBooks. You can put some like if for some reason you need a routing number. This institution ID is automatically added, but since this was an example bank that doesn't actually exist, you know, it cannot find it. But anyway, you can check these, just, you know, download, and that's it. You can open up your QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop and put everything there, and you know, start doing your actual accounting work instead of wasting time on manually like extracting transaction rows from PDFs. So basically I have the link is in the description, check it out. There's free tokens for you to try it out, see if it works out for you. I think it's a fantastic tool. Actually, one more thing, if you are running into any kind of issues, or you think that you need some feature that would help you, you know, just write it down here. I'll check it out. If it's a good thing, it probably gets implemented in a few days, you know, and bugs, you know, if the extraction didn't work, you can like send me information about it, and I will check it out, you know, make things better, fix whatever has happened. Anyway, thanks for watching, check out the tool, and bye.